slide board body saw. I have some floor sliders here on like a rubber surface. If you're at home, you just want to try to find like a hard surface that you can put a towel on, or a paper plate, piece of cardboard. On carpet works as well. The more pressure you have in your feet, the more friction obviously is going to create, and the harder it's going to be. So our slide board body saw, we're going to have the slide boards under our feet. And what we're doing here is we're trying to move and pivot through our shoulders. And we're kind of doing like a pullover motion, which is going to get us to recruit our midsection. So you're going to start in like a perfect plank position. And the only thing that's supposed to be moving in this is relatively our shoulders, because we're standing in a straight line. So our axis of rotation is coming from our shoulder joint. But due to the mechanics, it puts a huge demand on the muscles on the front half of our body, because we're really trying to resist going into extension. And we're just kind of moving in that front to back fashion. So perfect plank is going to be my feet right in the middle of each slide board. I'm going to be on my elbows. I'm going to squeeze my butt, drive my chest toward the ceiling, take a big deep breath in through my nose, brace to my midsection, and I'm blowing out as I come back up. Breathe in, blow out. Now, you're only going to go as far as you can with perfect technique. So if your back starts to compromise, you're arching your back, you feel like a weight shift, any sort of abnormal sensation in your shoulders, modify the range of motion. So if you have to start just right in this region, that's fine. And you can also modify it by putting it on your knees. And this works much better if you have a set under your knees and a set under your feet. So you're not putting a ton of weight into your knees. As you can see, this floor doesn't slide too well, but if I had a set under my feet, a set under my knees, it's going to kind of spread out the tension, so I'm not creating like that pressure point under my knee, which will allow me to slide back and forth. So again, quality over quantity. Start with whatever you're able to with perfect technique and progress that over a period of time.